Okay, we have Cyprus, we have people from UAE. Great. So we are this career talk is an event that we are having for almost. This is the 92nd career talk that we are having. We do this every week, every Sunday. Before we used to do a LinkedIn audio event. If you guys are aware, we used to do a LinkedIn audio event, but LinkedIn has stopped the audio event uh, in the last in the last few. Yes. So can anyone confirm if they can see me on LinkedIn as well? I think there is some. Let me just confirm. Can anyone confirm if they can see me on LinkedIn as well live? I think there is some. YouTube is fine. LinkedIn is. Okay, just give me 1 second. Streaming. LinkedIn is streaming as well. Okay, so welcome everyone. So I think I'm live on both the platforms. So this is the 93rd career talk that we are having, 92nd to be exact. This is something that we are doing for almost 1.5 years. And we used to do this career talk on LinkedIn audio event where we used to get a lot of people to come and talk, chat, ask their specific questions. But now what is happening? That LinkedIn has stopped this feature. That is the reason why we are doing this on Zoom. We are continuing the tradition of this, but we are keeping it very short. If there is any specific questions you can keep, and I generally give a talk regarding a specific topic. And today I wanted to talk about the one of the. I will share my screen. So we keep running a lot of challenges every week, every month, not weeks. And this is one of the very good ways for people to practice, people to get along, and I will talk about that. And you guys, if you have any specific questions, you can ask it. We are live on LinkedIn. We are live on YouTube as well. And again, thanks everyone for joining. And we'll keep this call very short. We'll keep this call for 30 minutes, and we will take it forward from there. So coming to this topic, we all know, and this is something related to our challenge that we are having in April. So this is, I wanted everyone to tell this one of the ways of building, specifically everyone who wants to learn AI, learn technology. The best way to do it is to have some plan. And that is the reason why, because I have been doing academy for almost 8 years. So 8 years we are running programs. We are telling people to do specific things, to do specific stuffs, but we see that courses are dying. Courses are dying. People are not that motivated to go through courses, to learn, to read, to see the videos. So that is the reason why these type of competitions that we run, these type of small competitions that we run, is really pushing the boundaries. So this is the challenge that we are going to start in almost 3 weeks, April 2025. So this is one of the build-ups to the challenge, today's session. And I wanted to talk about what is the science behind this challenge, and what are the different things that are there for this challenge. So some people have already participated. I can see in this WhatsApp, in Zoom, in YouTube and LinkedIn. There are some people that have already participated. So thanks for that. But uh, just try to understand the bigger concept of this challenge, and why you should have something, why you should participate in this or do something like this. Yeah, because this is not only for the prize, not only for winning, but also for uh, completing a project that you have been trying to do for the last uh, If you can just be on mute, it will be very nice. Who are not speaking, let me just. Yeah, so the people who are not speaking, I request you to be on mute so that we can continue. And if you have any questions, please put on the chat. So this is the challenge. So I will talk a little bit more about the challenge for the people who don't know. So this is something. This is an 8-day journey that is designed to help you create a fully functioning AI application, whether you're you're building your own custom models or leveraging powerful APIs. And also we have added one no-code, low-code platform as well. So this is something that is there. We motivate these people as well in this. For the challenge by giving them our flagship programs and cloud credits and everything that is there. So this is something that we are doing for motivating these people. But not only that, this is helping people actually build applications. And no, it's not like a hackathon that you give a problem and you have to solve it in 2 days. This is something that you plan. Whatever project that you have in your mind that you want to do, you plan it out, you think about it, and you try to do it. So a lot of people in our AI residency also, I tell them to join this challenge because most of them are struggling to complete their capstone projects that they need to do. So the capstone project, even I give all the guided materials and everything, but still they don't get the motivation because they are working, they have their full-time job, they are busy with their family. But this challenge, I push them to join this challenge. And along with the 57 people that are there, they try to finish the challenge. So right now we have 57 people in the challenge as of for the April 5th one, April 5th, that is starting in 3 weeks. So they will, out of that 57 people, right now 20% of the people are going to be active. So you can say around 11 to 12 people are going to be active on the WhatsApp group. They're going to do submissions. They're going to so they are going to keep them motivated to submit, to be on the leaderboard. And I will talk about that as well, how it looks like. So so this is the duration. This is the duration of the program from April 5th to 13th. There are daily checkpoints, and I will show you a live demo of the platform as well. And step by step. So we start with, so every one of you in the call who are participating, who are thinking about participating, you already know that on 5th of April, you need to submit a project plan. Like, what is the project that you're going to work for? What is the project that you are going to do? What is the data that you are going to do? What is the business problem that you are going to solve? And think about doing something that is achievable. Don't do something that is not humanly attainable by you alone in the next 5 days. This is where a lot of people fail. They make very big claims that they will build a very complicated application, which they are not able to do complete, and they lose out. Take something small, a beginner level. Always move one step at a time. Don't try to. It's a learning AI, and data is a marathon. It is not a 100-meter sprint. So take step by step decisions and then take it forward, because a lot of projects that submit, they don't complete because they are very complicated, and they don't have that time to give in that continuously 8 days. So think about some project that you can do maximum. I know most of the people are working, so 2 hours a day is maximum that you can give. So think about something. I will share with you the previous projects that people have completed, and you can get ideas from there and take something and you can make your own version of that. So we have expert guidance, we have mentors as well on the in the groups to guide you. We have these type of calls, like today we are having like a call about this AI application, this challenges that are there. To talk about this, we have resources. We have shared all the people who have registered a resource, complimentary resource worth $1,000, not $1,000, $100, where they get access to all the materials for, especially for the no code, low code tools, and for the deployment resources. Like, because a lot of projects people are building, they are building it on their Python notebook, but we want them to deploy it on the internet that can be seen by the judges. So this is something that we give these type of trainings, how to get API keys, how to get the which platforms to use. And for the no code, low code platforms that are there, we are giving around 14 different platforms for you to start uh, trying out and making it. Then we have our community support. Not only me, but we have a lot of mentors. Plus, we have a WhatsApp group that all of you join, and we keep motivating each other to do the submissions, to start working. And whoever have joined the challenge one time, they keep on doing this challenge. And this is something that I'm pushing everyone who I know who is serious to learn, who is part of our programs, who are part of it, to do it. Because this is helps people to at least complete a project and put it on their GitHub, that and to finish it end to end. So there are three tracks that are there, because we want to keep this very open to everyone. So every one of you who are different, some of you who want to build an AI application, but there are different levels, the different levels, and I want to keep it open for all the levels. End of the day, you are building a project. So the track one is for people who a little bit are data scientists, who are uh, who know a little bit of model building and all those things, who want to build something from this, like some forecasting model or something to do with machine learning or computer vision model. And there have been projects that some of them have done it at this time. So because we want to get this, because we are a end of the day, AI is also about data, about how you are building models. So we are keeping this track open. But what we have seen, most of the people are taking the track two, because that is the most hottest track right now. We call it the LLM and API integration track. And for these are the people who want to integrate these large language models or APIs, like building specific AI applications powered with LLMs, with APIs and everything. So 80% of our not 80, 60% of our projects are from using LLM and API integration that have been in the past. And then in the last challenge, we have also introduced no code, low code path. So around 20 to 25% of the people who are beginners, who are executives, who don't have that time, so much time to build these LLMs, who are not so much Python savvy, who they want to do something in the no code, low code. So they are for beginners and executives. They're taking up this path, like building a simple chat bot. Using a voice flow or lang flow type of application, where you just need to do a drag and drop. You don't need to write any single line of code. You just need your API key, put the API key and start running the code. And also using API, AI coding building like Cursor and this Amazon Code Whisper and all those things. But you still need to know a little bit of Python to connect those dots. So the lot of traction that we have seen is in the LLM API integration and the no code, low code thing, but we are keeping it open. If anyone wants to build an application using computer vision model, using machine learning, deep learning, they are also able to do that, or they can combine that with LLM that is more powerful. So we are keeping these three paths so that anyone can join, from beginners till serious people who have been doing some model building that are there. So this is something that we need to focus on. So these three paths are there. And let us see from the next time, if we don't get a lot of people in the model building path, we can try to see any other path that is there. But for now, we are keeping these three paths because we are a data science and AI community. So we need to also cater to the larger audience that is there. So the kickoff, the day one, like when I say about day one, every one of you should understand. Uh, People say that prepare before before you have time to prepare. You have an idea in your mind, you prepare it now, you execute it on day one, that is April 5th. So that is the reason why I am doing this call early, 15 days early. And all the challenge participants that are there, they can look at this, and they can be think about what type of projects that they want to do. If they want to do model building, they want to do LLM, they want to do no code, low code, they can plan that, and they can start thinking about it. I will be sharing the template with all of the participants in the for the April batch very soon in the WhatsApp group. But think about what you want to do, what project you want to build, what path you want to take. Create a project plan, define your objectives. So this is something that all of you need to start doing now, so that you have that plan to start putting it across. That is there. So day one, this is the day one. Mainly right now, everyone should prepare for the day one wherein they want to start their project. And one thing that we have introduced in this project is whatever project you are doing, you need to complete the project and put it on GitHub. So you have a whole portfolio ready with you for that, whatever project that you have done. And then after that, we have the day two. The day two, day three will keep setting up according to the environment setup and the initial development that is there. So what platforms that you want to use, what are the initial steps that you want to do. If you don't have a GitHub, initialize your GitHub repository, open a GitHub. We have all the videos to help you for this as well. Day three is about data processing and enhancing API integration. For the no code, low code path, it is basically selecting the no code, low code tool. There are around 14 tools that I have given in the platform. You can select any one of them and start learning it and start practicing about it. Then we have about model training and functionality testing. This is for mainly for the people who want to are doing something in the modeling part. If they want to train their model, if they are doing something in the API part, they have to check the functionality, check the parameters, the temperature, the whatever is the top P, frequency penalty, and all those things, and make sure everything is fine, and check the functionality. Then you need to integrate your model with the interface. So day five is how you are connecting your application with your front end. It can be Gradio, Streamlit, or any other application that is there, and take it forward. Then we have our day six, where you do the final enhancement debugging. Make sure that you check it properly. You check whether it is working fine, it is doing well. If there are any bugs, do the user testing and make sure that it is good enough. Day seven is final deployment. Now once it is working fine, you can now put it on GitHub, make sure everything is fine, test it out, final review, create the whole document about it, and keep it ready. And in the day eight is the final submission that you need to do. This is the last day, so you have a lot of time. And what we are doing is here is you need your GitHub ready. You need to have a video demonstration of your project, like whatever you have done, and to like explaining the video. So many of the participants have won the challenge because of the explanation, video explanation that they have done. Uh, how they started the project, what was the technology that they used, the tools and technologies, and then how they went across through that, and then finally they made their final project and the demo link that they have given. And then we also are, as you know, LinkedIn is very important for all of us. And I'm pushing everyone to also share this journey on LinkedIn, and to create a post on LinkedIn talking about your project, about your the demo of your project or your screenshot of your project application, and put it on LinkedIn and share the link. So that in this whole 8 days, we are not only helping the person build the project, but also showcase it and show it to the world about their achievement, and tag us as well. So this is the whole end-to-end journey that is there. So this slide, mostly there were a lot of information that we have, but I will just want to tell you, for now, everyone should focus on day one. That is the project idea. What project idea that they want to do. So let me just, there are some questions coming on LinkedIn, how to join the challenge. So just give me 1 second. Let me open my, um, let me just complete the slide. So we have judges, we have some judges that are there, and we are the criteria that is there is innovation, technical execution, real world application, and quality of demo. So this is the judging criteria. So there is a judging panel. We'd have a rubrics where we see everything. We see whether the idea is innovative, it is technical, how is the execution done, and what is the real world applicability, and then the presentation. So this is something that we are doing, and let me just share my screen now and show you how to join this challenge. So if you go to our community platform, everyone, in LinkedIn, I cannot type on LinkedIn because I am sharing my screen, but if anyone, let me just 1 second. Yeah, so anyone can share. So this is our community, nash.io/artificial intelligence. And I will share it on the different platforms. Give me some time. Then you can. So this is the challenge. If you can click the challenge. And so this is the challenge that is there, the building AI application challenge that is there. So let me just share this in the different groups. And please keep your questions coming on the chat, and I will be able to take that as well. So this is the challenge link, and on YouTube as well, I put the challenge link. And on Zoom, everyone knows that in Zoom also, let me put the challenge link, and then we will talk about it. Okay, so coming to this. Yeah. So now coming to this challenge, yes. So now we are at this challenge. Yeah. So this is the challenge. So this is the right now we have two challenges that are going on. One is the LinkedIn challenge that is going on, and that is not started yet. It is going to start in the month of May. In Ramadan, we did not keep any challenge. We are keeping it light for Ramadan. But these are the challenges. So people can still join this challenge. This is starting on the 5th of April. And this is starting on the 3rd of May. So for LinkedIn, still the early bird price is there. The early price, it is going to become for $39 very soon. So LinkedIn, all of you, I will talk about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is for visibility. Building AI application competition is for your uh, technical skills. So both are important. That's the reason why we are doing both together. Every one of you know linked the importance of LinkedIn. I don't need to tell you the importance of LinkedIn. And I have personally my whatever I am doing right now, my business, my all the work that I am doing is thanks to my LinkedIn. The way I have grown, so we are touching around 58,500 followers on LinkedIn platform, and this is organically that we have grown. We don't do any marketing. We don't do any ads. Everything that we are doing in this community is through LinkedIn platform, growing step by step, giving a lot of value and a lot of content. So I try to share my real life experience of how I have gone from 0 to 58,500 in some years, and step by step how we are doing that. So this is something that I recommend everyone. And there is no secret to this. There is no secret to this. There are some standard processes that you need to follow, and people who have joined the challenge, and they are continuously seeing a lot of improvements, and they have a lot of success stories that are there. So this is something that I recommend everyone who wants to learn about LinkedIn and actually practice the steps on LinkedIn should join this challenge. It's a bigger challenge. This is a 16-day challenge where you learn and you execute as well. It's like a course that has been converted into a challenge. It's like, but uh, to motivate people, we have still kept a price of $2,500 worth of AI for builders and AI for executives. All our competitions, they have a price point sponsored by our academy, so that to motivate people to come participate and learn as well. And it's not only about the price, it's also about the process of learning and going through a group of people that are there. So if you see our challenges, we had started in April 2024 with a free challenge of 33 participants. We did not see so much. We did not see so much participation because people don't value for free. So what happened that we started taking a small fee for the participants, the platform fee, the admin fee, and everything to make sure everything is running fine. Then we had our second challenge in April. We took a big break. We were seeing how to make it better. And this challenge was 68 people participated, and we saw a lot of amazing projects that are there. So this was our first AI building application challenge that was there. Then we had again our LinkedIn challenge. This is the first challenge that we had. We had it for 21 days. Then we saw that many people are not liking 21 days. It's breaking up in a weekday. So we made it for 16 days, starting on a Saturday and ending on a Sunday. So we have that whole spectrum of 2 weeks. So we had a no code low code challenge. So we saw a lot of uh, interest in low code challenge. 103 participants challenge participated. So that's the reason why. So we are improving. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our seventh and eighth challenge that is going on right now. So Meghali is asking, this 8-day challenge is within physical? No, this is remote. This is how it can never be physical. We are not doing a hackathon of 1 day or 2 days. This is something that you need to do at your own time. The challenge is going to open on 5th of April. You can join now, and on the 5th of April, the this is going to open. So let me open this. So the day one is going to open the ideation and conceptualization. The same thing that I showed you. It is happening in 19 days, almost 20 days. It is going to start. So we have already 57 participants. So this is how it looks, day one. And then we have till the day 8, the final submission and the LinkedIn sharing. Whatever I explained you, we have already 7 participants. So for people who have already joined like the challenge, like OG, Kritika, please join the chat. Make sure that you are in the WhatsApp group. Very few people have joined the WhatsApp group. Please join this WhatsApp group. And this is how it looks. And I will show you the old application building challenge so you get an idea of how it looks like. So this is the most one. So this is something like a leaderboard. So this is a leaderboard. This is a feed that happens. The participants can talk within themselves, and they can share their experiences, and people engage among themselves as well. And then there is a leaderboard. So this is the access to everyone here. This is the member access, but this is how it looks like. So these are the participants, these are the points. Everyone is fighting among each other to submit, and we have a lot of good things that are there. So this is the platform, not, and these points are by submissions, the time that you submit. And then we have the judging criteria and everything that goes around. So let me open this. So this is the challenge, and we have these criterias. There is a mobile application also that can be easily used to do this navigation. So it's a very easy way to submit your points, to work around it, and the mobile application is very good to do it. And these are the judges, these are the criterias, and these are the prices that are there. So this is something that I recommend everyone to join. And Building AI application challenge and the LinkedIn Mastery Challenge. This is happening on May. The early bird price is still there. This goes to $39 very soon till we get 10 people. So please join this as well. LinkedIn is something that is very close to my heart, as I told you. And the checkpoints of LinkedIn are 16 checkpoints are there. If you can see all the checkpoints till the day 15. We also push you to create your newsletter and do other things as well. So now, these are the two things that I wanted to share with all of you. And these two things enable you to build your portfolio and to showcase your portfolio to the world. And one more thing that I wanted to show you is the product support that we give, and this access we give to all the challenge participants that is there. So this we have already shared this with all of you. So we have approximately 13 no-code, low-code tools that are there. If you can see this no-code, low-code tool, we have everything that you can think about. The major ones are here. There are small videos for you to take part. Then there is one, if you can see, there is an idea, day one idea submission template. So this is the template. So you need to see they're asking for payment here. So, but let me just open. But the template is there. People who access, they get a template to fill exactly what are the things that are required. And I think let me open this. Let me get the coupon code and open this later and show you guys. But this is there. Everyone who has participated, we have shared with them. And then this is the coding path. So the coding path, everything that we have discussed is here. We have also given one video. Maybe we are going to do a live demo also, step-by-step guide to build your AI projects, getting your keys, get Google Colab secret key, how to push your project from local. Everything that is required step by step is here, and the workshop recordings like this are here as well for you to play around. So these are the past recordings. We will also add new recordings according to all of you. And there is one more very good feature that you can ask your questions here. So this is a new feature that you can ask any questions related to this product. If you are not finding it, if you want something extra, it will be answered within 24 hours by the team. So this is a new feature that we have added, ask a question feature as well. But this product is approximately $100, but we are giving it complimentary for the challenge participants that are there. Uh, and this is going to be lifetime. So this is the one thing that I request for the people who are thinking to join the challenge, not only for the price, but only for getting access to this amazing content. You can get it complimentary if you join the challenge that is there. And we'll keep on adding new videos and new resources as we speak. But this is for now. We have approximately 29 items, but we will be adding more as we are coming closer to the application date. So now, if there are any questions, please let me know. And I feel I answered all the questions on LinkedIn and Meghali, and there are some questions from Ahmad on YouTube. It is regarding what is the skill level. So the skill level, as I told you, it is from beginner level till the it can be a person who knows the stuff. It is just to whatever stage you are to come, work on your project, get ideas and complete it. So that is the whole purpose of this. So it can be open to anyone. So if you are a beginner, you can come for learning. If you feel that you have some uh, you already know these things, you can still come and compete and try to do something. Always try to do something a little above your level. Suppose you are at level 19 right now, do something try to do something at level 92. Every time that you are, so there no one is an expert. Even me, every day I am also learning. Every you ask me that I still think and I learn every day. So no one is an expert and a beginner. Everyone works at one level above them. So try to do something that try to challenge yourself to do something little bit more complicated and do it. And this is not a competition with anyone. This is a competition within yourself. How are you able to finish something? How you are able to do something? So I hope I answered your question, Ahmed. Any more questions from the community before we end the call for today? So thank you everyone on Zoom, LinkedIn, as well as YouTube to join the call, and have a great day. The recording will be uploaded by the community members soon, and have see you and have a great day. And we are having one more session in 1.5 hours regarding AI agents. So please try to join that as well. That is a part of our AI guild and our AI community, just to share with all of you before I end the call. So I need to prepare for that call. That's why I am trying to. But if there are any questions, I can stay back for 2 minutes. So this is our event that we are having right now. Upcoming events. Why is this? I think these two are not. This one. AI workflow optimization and integrating prompt chaining into LangGraph agent framework. So this is a project that we are doing. Let me just share my screen. Sorry for this. Yeah. So this is we are doing this particular workshop in 1.5 hours. So please try to join this workshop. This is in a series of our Agentic AI workshop, which is a part of our AI Guild and AI Residency. So looking forward for all of you to join this workshop. And this is in series. So we have been doing this for the last 7-8 weeks. So we are going to continue this series. And thank you everyone for joining the Career Talk. Best of luck for your wherever you are, whatever situation you are. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for your time and have a great day, everyone.